water and our yeast. And olive oil. And good honey. Now we're gonna let that set for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna go grind our flour, and I'll be right back. It's time to add our flour, salt, and egg. All right, now onto a well-oiled surface. We are going to kind of knead it out a little. It is going to be very sticky. And then we're going to section off into 8 pieces and then roll those out into burger bun shapes and then bake them in a preheated 425-degree oven for 15 minutes. I almost forgot, you do need an egg wash them. And there you have it, homemade hamburger buns. This recipe is super simple. It takes about 40 to 45 minutes from start to finish. My kids love it, my husband loves it, my daughter, I bought some hamburger buns recently just to stick in the freezer for something quick to pull out. And she was like, "Why did you buy these? We make our own." It's like, well, so I'm going to be spending this evening making up a bunch of hamburger buns to put into our freezer so that I can have some happy kids. I hope you enjoy and get ready to screenshot the recipe.